Today I'm making up some 18 karat, 7 pennyweights worth. I'm alloying my own material. So in this tray right here, you see 24 karat, and that is 5.25 pennyweights. Then I have 65% of my 25% alloy is pure silver, and that is 1.1375 of material. If I'm going to be alloying, I always make sure I'm going to do my best to err on the high of carating higher. This right here is regular 14 karat yellow gold alloy from Stuller, and that is 0.6125. Now what I'm going to do is I have a charcoal block, as you see here. I'm going to pour my 24 karat there and my alloy here, and then I have my yellow gold alloy. So it is 24 karat pure silver and 14 karat yellow gold alloy. Now I'm going to take some borax, some casting flux as they put it, and I'm going to coat it. And now I'm going to start melting. Move that to the side. There we go. So now you'll watch it melt. I will probably add some more borax to it once it turns completely, once it's completely mixed. So it's starting to all melt together now. You have to get this good and hot to make sure that it mixes well. So here I am. I'm going to put some more borax on it. It'll continue to clean it up. It's good and hot. It mixes through it. And now I'm going to just put a little bit more borax on it. You can see how it have a nice shiny surface, at least for a while. I'm going to let that harden. So you're seeing it harden right now. So make sure that you allow the material to harden all the way through. As you can see, it's still molten. And slowly but surely it is hardening. It's still molten. There, it's starting to harden right now. There we go. You just watch the surface harden up. So you just give it a chance. You want to pull it out of there before it cools off too far, because otherwise you'll have a very hard time getting it off. Getting it out of there. So here I am pulling it out. I'm putting it to the side there. You can see it's got some of the block on it. It's the charcoal block on it. So I'm just going to let it cool off a little bit. In a few minutes I'll come back and begin rolling this material. Now you could have poured this into an ingot, but it's not that big. I'll show you how I deal with it. So I'm going to put in the acid now. Here I have a piece of 18 karat yellow gold. It's 7 pennyweights worth. I melted it on my charcoal block, alloyed the material together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start rolling it. So I'm going to open my mill up wide because it's pretty wide right now. And I'm going to start feeding it through. So you can see there's the first pass. And once again, another pass. And again. And again. And here we go. One more time. Looking good. We're going to run through the other way. The edges were just starting to crisp up, and they're in need of piece is in need of going the other direction. So I continue to make this smaller. So that I can get down to the fine wire. This is going all the way down to about 1.6, 1.7 millimeters square for the project that I'm doing. So it's going to be a very lengthy piece of gold. So it's getting there. So generally what I do is I'll take something and I'll roll it till all four sides are showing an even surface. So I'm going to the second one now. There it is. Before I anneal it. So here it is. I'll get a little bit more before it shows a nice even surface. It's starting to get pretty tough, pretty hard. So I'd say I'm there. So the pieces is showing. Now what I'll do, I have some minor surface cracks in the last area to firm up. I'll show you how I'll deal with it.